Hello, how are you? Today I want us to look at the 3-column cash book. So we have a question here. We are going to do it faster. We shall be reading and as well as entering. Silvet Company Limited is a company which trades in metal fabrication. The following were the transactions for November 2023. On the 1st November, so here this is 2023. Okay. On the 1st November, we have opening balances. So I will say balances brought forward. Okay. Balances brought forward. So we have bank. Bank is 13,160 on the debit side. Okay, because we have this money. Then cash, we have 2,780. We have cash at hand. Then on the second, actually it's the third. On the third, checks payment of 7,800 by Shoprite. So which means Shoprite paid the company. Shoprite, 7,800. It goes to the bank side because they paid using a check. Okay? On the 5th, we have paid rent. Okay? Using the check of 1,420. So here, rent, the company paid. Rent using a check, so it goes to the credit side. Okay? It's 1,420. Then on the 5th again, the same 5th, we have petty cash. Petty cash. So the company withdrew petty cash. The amount was 2,290. It goes to the credit side because the money came from the bank. On the 6th, Meflan's Limited bought tables worth 2,220 by check. So we have Meflan's bought the tables. Okay, so it bought, meaning money came in. Okay, so it comes to the debit side, which is 2,220. Okay. Then it said it was paid by check. Then on 8th, cash sales. Sales here by cash. Sales, this is a cash. So the figure comes here. It's 2,360. Then check was dishonored worth 2,220. So this check that you had received was dishonored. Okay, when was that? That was on 10th. It was unpaid. So dishonored check. This. Okay. Dishonored. Dishonored check. It goes to the credit side. Here it was on the debit, so it comes to the credit side to complete double entry system. So it's 220. Dishonored check. It completes the double entry system. Then on the 15th, direct transfer from Simba Milling. So this is 15th. Simba Milling has paid the company. It was a direct transfer, so it went direct to the bank, which is 8,000. Okay? Then we have on the same day, 15th. 15th, bought fuel by check. So the company bought fuel by check. So we have fuel, it goes to the credit side. The figure is 3,800. Okay, on 18th, cash sales. 18th, cash sales. So we have the sales, the figure, it comes to the cash because it was cash sales. 5,975 kwacha. Okay, and the same day there's a discount allowed. So the company allowed a discount. So this is the column for discount. So we are putting the figure here, 200, as discount allowed. Okay. Then on the 20th, the company got a loan from Zanaco. So we have a bank loan, which is Zanaco loan. And this loan was transferred direct to the bank. It was a bank transfer. The figure is 10,000. It comes here. 10,980. Okay. Then the same date on the 20th, there was a purchase here. There was a purchase, okay, a purchase of materials, so purchases. Purchases, okay, by check, the amount is 6,200, so it comes here on the credit side. 6,200. Then on the same date, from the same purchases, there was a discount allowed. Discount received. The same date. Discount received. Discount received. So this is discount allowed, discount received is here. The amount is 940. Okay. Then on the 22, salaries were paid. 22nd, salaries. Salaries using cash. So it was a payment of salaries using cash. So this is the cash, which means it comes to the credit because the money went out. So the figure is 5,600. Okay. Then on the 25th, repairs to the workshop. Repairs. This is workshop. Okay, it was paid by check, so it goes to the credit side of the bank because it was paid out. The amount is 3,793 kwacha. Okay, so you can see that all the transactions have been captured. So we need now to balance our cash book. Okay. So we are balancing our cash book. Okay. As you are balancing the cash book, you have to add. So these two, discount received, we have 940, don't waste time. Discount allowed, we have 200, don't waste time. So you add now. I'll start with the cash account, the debit side, okay? When I add 2,780 plus 3,060 plus 5,975, what I get is 11,115 kwacha. Okay? The same figure goes to the credit side of cash account. Okay, it comes there like this. Because if you see, the debit side had a bigger balance than the credit side. So now I have to subtract this minus 56. It gives me 5,515. Okay, 5,515. This is a balancing figure, so it's balance carried down. Balance carried down. Okay. Then I come to the bank. The bank, I'll look at the debit side. When I add 13,160, 78,220, 8,000, 10,980, the figure that I get is 42,160. 42,160. Okay, I bring it this way. 42,160. Okay, and just by looking, you are able to tell that the figure here is bigger than the total for the credit side. So I need to add this plus this plus this plus this plus this plus this and subtract from 42,160. So when I do my subtraction, I get 22,437. 22,437. So this is the balance carried down. So I now come to balance brought down. So the same figures, this that had carried down, here it will cross and come here. For cash account, which is 5,115. Even for bank, the same figure, 22,437 will cross, it will come here. 22,437 as balance brought down. What does it mean? What it means here is that you still have the money. Under cash account, you have this one, 5,515 kwacha. Under the bank, you have 22,437 is still intact. These are the closing balance of November, which will be the opening balance for December. This is a 3-column cash book. Why is it a 3-column cash book? It has you can see, it has the column for the bank, the column for the cash, and the column for the discount allowed. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.